Hello everyone, good evening. Here I will make a video reading assessment from Miss Rika. Okay, I will start it. The impact of climate change on agriculture. Climate change has emerged as one of the most pressing global challenges of the 21st century, with profound implications from agriculture. As the Earth climate continues to warm due to increasing concentration of gases in the atmosphere, the impact on agriculture are becoming increasingly evident. This impact manifests in various forms, including shift in growing season, change in precipitation patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events, all of which have significant consequences for food production, food security, and rural livelihoods. One of the most direct effects of climate change on agriculture is the alteration of growing seasons. In many regions, warming temperatures have led to an extension of the growing season, allowing for longer periods of crop cultivation. While this might seem beneficial at first glance, it also brings about challenges. Warmer temperature can accelerate the life cycle of crops, leading to earlier maturation and potentially lower yields. Additionally, the extended growing season can result in increased pest and disease pressure, as these organisms also thrive in warmer conditions. For instance, the proliferation of certain insect pests, which were previously limited by colder temperatures, has, has expanded into new areas, posing significant threats to crops. Precipitation patterns, another critical factor for agriculture, have also been disrupted by climate change. In some regions, rainfall has become more erratic, with longer dry spells followed by intense, short-lived rainfall events. This variability in precipitation can lead to both drought and floods. It's with devastating effect on agriculture. Drought conditions can severely limit water availability for crops, leading to reduced yields or even total crop failure. On the other hand, intense rainfall can cause soil erosion, nutrient leaching, and water losing of crop, all of which can negatively impact agricultural productivity. In areas dependent on rain-fed agriculture, this change in precipitation patterns pose, uh, pose a significant threat to food security. Moreover, The increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, cyclones, and heat waves, further exacerbate the challenges faced by agriculture. This event can cause immediate and severe damage to crops, livestock, and infrastructure, leading to substantial economic losses. For example, heat heat waves can cause heat stress in crops, reducing their growth and productivity. Similarly, strong storm can destroy fields, uproot stress, and cause widespread, widespread devastation to farming communities. The the long-term impacts of such events can also be profound, as they can lead to shifts eh, in land use patterns, dis- displacement of farming communities, and loss of agricultural biodiversity. The impact of climate change on agriculture are not uniform across the globe. They vary depending on the region and the type of agriculture practice. In temperature regions, some crops may benefit from warmer temperatures and longer growing seasons, while in tropical and subtropical regions, the negative impacts are likely to be more pronounced. Smallholder farmers, who often rely on traditional farming practice and have limited access to research, are particularly vulnerable to the impact of climate change. These farmers are often located in regions that are already prone to climate variability, and they have limited capacity to adapt to changing conditions. In response to this challenge, in response to these challenges, adaptation strategies are essential to ensure the sustainability of agriculture in changing climate. These strategies include the development and adoption of climate resilient crop varieties, improved water management practice, and the diversification of agricultural system. For example, breeding crops that are more tolerant to heat, drought, or salinity can help mitigate the negative impact of climate change on crop yields. Similarly, implementing efficient irrigation system and water conservation practice can help farmers cope with reduced water availability. Diversifying, 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 diversifying agricultural system by incorporating agroforestry, mixed cropping, and integrated farming practice can also enhance the resilience of farming system to climate change. In addition to adaptation, mitigation effort efforts are crucial to reducing the long-term impact of climate change on agriculture. Agriculture itself is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emission, particularly through practices such as deforo- defo- deforestation, livestock production, and the use synthetic fertilizer. Transitioning to more sustainable agricultural practice such as agroecology, organic farming, and conservation agriculture can help reduce emissions and sequester carbon in soil. For instance, agroecological practice that promote soil health, such as cover cropping, crop rotation, and reduce tillage, can enhance the carbon sequestration potential of agricultural lands, while also improving soil fertility and crop resilience. Furthermore, global cooperation and policy support are essential to addressing the impact of climate change on agriculture. International agreements such as the Paris Agreement play a vital role in mobilizing research and coordinating efforts to combat climate change. National governments also have a crucial role in developing and implementing policies that support climate smart agriculture, provide financial assistance to farmers, and provide research and innovation in climate adaptation and mitigation. In conclusion, the impact of climate change on agriculture is multifaceted and complex, with far-reaching consequences for food security, rural livelihoods, and the global economy. The challenges posed by climate change require an concerted effort, concent- concerted effort from all stakeholders, including farmers, researchers, policymakers, and the international community. By developing and implementing effective adaptation and mitigation strategies, it is possible to enhance the resilience of agricultural systems to climate change and ensure the sustainability of food production in the face of an uncertain future. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.